Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your BIGO Live Lite application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your BIGO Live Lite application from your app drawer. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page. You can log into your BIGO Live Lite with your Facebook or your phone number. Simply type in your phone number if you are trying to log in with phone number into the phone number text box. Make sure to type in the correct phone number. If you'd like to log in with your Facebook, you can simply tap on this button right below where it says login with Facebook, and BIGO Live will take all of the information from your Facebook and you'll be logged in just like that. After you're done typing your phone number, tap on the sign up or login with phone button right below in green, and now on the next page, type in your password. Make sure to type in the correct password in order to log in and then tap on the login button. But in case you've forgotten your password, you can simply tap on this link right here that says forgot password and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new one. After tapping on login, you have been logged in or signed in to your BIGO Live Lite application. To be able to find broadcasters nearby your location, enable your location by tapping on Allow Now from the pop-up. Choose to allow BIGO Live to access to this device's location while using the app by tapping on this link right here, and that is it. BIGO Live Lite is the pocket-sized version of BIGO Live. It is smaller in size, but all of your favorite features are still available in the application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.